I'm with Rui from Rui's RC Adventures. Right, I'm just going to show you, we're not going to waffle too much. This obstacle, Rui's done with his mauler. So Rui did a video yesterday, which went live yesterday. And this is the woods that we crawl in, but this is a new pile of rogs. It's a new pile of rogs. It's a new pile of rogs which Rui has manipulated to make them possible. But I just didn't think it would be possible for Spidey. Today I'm out with the super light wheel setup, just having a little drive to see what's what, and so far it's been pretty good. But this is a mauler obstacle. Like, this is a 350 wheelbase obstacle, guys.
350 plus, man.
Yeah, I mean, he's probably 355 now. So really badly exposed. There we go. So I've got to go up there, come down here, and then over there, and then there's some really sort of 2.2 wheel gaps. So there's nothing there. I've got to float the gap and then get through all this, and there's holes and stuff, and then there's just this to come down in, guys. I don't know, do you reckon, comment down below, guys, do you think Spidey can do it? Because I honestly think this is like a mauler type obstacle. So votes down below. What do you reckon, Rui?
Yeah.
Rui reckons yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to say no, but let's see. The XHX pins, guys, have been working really well in the dry, in the wooded area. That's been a bit of a surprise, really. But these S5s, let me just move the camera, because of course the camera's lost the truck already. Yeah, the S5s, I don't know what you'd call them, they feel like a comp pin. So we've got to make a turn here, guys. We've got to go, just going to reposition the camera again. We've got to make a turn and go up to that end of the tree. We can't go up there because there's a huge gap that it doesn't matter what rig you're driving. So we've got to try to force that wheel in now and just hang it. Not really noticing a degradation in stability, although we've swapped over to a much lighter wheel setup. This pull here, guys, this is difficult. I'm just tapping focus on the camera again. See if we can follow that front wheel. It doesn't want to follow the body. Oh, incidentally, if you've been following the Chronicles of Spidey, there is a new body inbound. I'm not going to say any more. You guys will have to check it out when it gets here.
Spidey Chronicles.
The Chronicles of Spidey, yeah. Right, that's nice. Yeah, I'm liking that. Good job so far, Spidey. Do you know what, Rui? I think if it gets this and it can float the gaps, we're good. Right, we're going to swap camera angle quickly there, guys, because this next bit is gnarly with a capital gnar. Right, I'm going to try to drive it from the perspective of the camera. So we need to come over. In fact, I'm going to have to get in the shot.
Get that view from there.
Yeah, I need to see this one from this side, guys. Hopefully you can still hear me over here. So this is like a 2-2. This is like a 2-2 gap here for the wheels, guys. Hoping I can get the tyre in. Yeah, we got it. There we go.
Nice.
Nice save,
Nice.
Spidey. Could you just check to see if the camera's still focused on the truck for me, Louis?
It is. Yeah, it is.
So this pull, nice. Just trying to work out. Right, just going to reposition the camera again. So that's where we're at, guys. We've just changed the camera angle. We're not optimised for light here. I'm filming using manual mode. I'm not filming using manual mode, so the camera is deciding on the exposure, which is not optimal. Let's move this in so you can see how ugly this gets. There's another floaty situation coming up for the back wheel. Get a bit of angle on the steering. No, that isn't it. That's it though. My goodness, guys. Looks like anybody who said that he could do it, look, it's starting to look like you guys were right. It looks like Rui might have got it. I can't imagine that Spidey will be able to extract himself down here though, because it is basically just a bunch of sticks.
Let's just stop bringing the camera loose.
Right, so just gonna put the camera down here, guys. Oh. I know it's exposing for the sky there, guys. Let's just go handheld for a moment. What is Spidey doing? Like, if he can get out from there. Just trying to look to see which way. Oh, no. I think we might be able to untangle ourselves. You squeeze yourself through the arm, Spidey. Come on, bud. I'm doing this for you guys. Hopefully we don't get a snap in there. This will definitely be putting the strength of the MEUS axles to the test. We're nearly out. Oh, have we done it? Yes. Thank you very much for watching this one, guys, and remember, no matter the question, love is always the answer.